A dramatic escalation in the Middle East. Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, striking Iran's nuclear sites. Iran quickly retaliated, sending missiles and drones at Israeli cities. The result: global market turmoil. In this video, we'll analyze the economic fallout and spotlight 3 stocks that may benefit from the crisis. It began early Saturday. Israel bombed Iran's uranium sites, killing high-level military figures. Iran responded with over 100 missiles and drones, some reaching central Israel. Markets reacted instantly. Oil prices spiked. Brent shot up 14%, then settled around $74. U.S. crude hit 14% gains before easing to $73. Global stocks took a hit. S&P 500 fell over 1%, Dow lost nearly 800 points, Nasdaq dropped 1.3%. Investors fled to gold and treasuries, bidding up safe haven assets. With the Strait of Hormuz at risk, even minor escalations caused oil surges. Some analysts fear crude could reach $100 to $120 per barrel if infrastructure is threatened. Higher oil equals higher costs for consumers and businesses. Inflation could climb, squeezing profits and slowing growth. Central banks face pressure. Higher energy prices could jeopardize rate cut cycles. Regional supply disruptions reduce trade flow, affecting airlines, shipping, and global commerce. But not all sectors suffer. Here are 3 stocks positioned to benefit. 1. ExxonMobil, XOM. As oil rebounds, major producers like Exxon see a direct lift in profits. With Brent trading near $75 and upside to $100 if tensions persist, Exxon stands to benefit. 2. Lockheed Martin, LMT. Defense firms profit in heightened tensions. Lockheed's advanced missile and drone systems are in demand. Analysts predict increased military spending, especially in air defense and cyber warfare. 3. Raytheon Technologies, RTX. Supplier of Patriot and other air defense systems. Escalation makes their products critical as nations bolster defense infrastructure. Markets remain volatile. Oil could shake out or escalate if the Strait of Hormuz is threatened. Either way, energy and defense stay in focus. Key watch points. Additional strikes on oil infrastructure. U.S. military involvement. Central bank reaction to inflation. Here's the takeaway. Oil prices have surged amid supply fears. Global stocks experienced a sharp pullback. Defense and energy stocks like Exxon, Lockheed, and Raytheon stand to outperform. What do you think? Will oil keep climbing? Are defense stocks a safe bet or too risky? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more live market breakdowns.